Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today is a dedicated video to Bella Vena gel art collection. So this is by Bella Vena and this is their new gel art collection. I had shown it in a previous double dip video, but I definitely wanted to go in depth with just the gel art collection. They're 10 free, non-toxic, highly pigmented, cruelty free, and vegan. So it's super important to me for products to be very pigmented and great quality, which this one definitely nails it. And the most important is the product being vegan, because we don't want any animals getting harmed in the making of products. So that's definitely amazing how they are 100% vegan. They don't test on animals, which is so essential and vital to me, and it should to you as well. And I also love how they use non-toxic products, so these products will not be bad for your nails or anything like that. So that's definitely really important as well, because you don't want to decay eventually the nail, because the nail bed is something that at the end of the day it is sensitive and could be easily torn. So we always want some great quality products, and that's what I love about DoubleDip, that they genuinely care about the formula they put into these products, and they're just absolutely amazing. So here I'm just going in after I was done picking out my jelly tips, which is also one of their new things that they have on DoubleDip, which are absolutely amazing. These jelly tips are really affordable as well, and they also sent me the base, which is a 4-in-1. This is a adhesive for the nails, which I'm going to show you the way that I do it now. Pretty much I just place some of this base gel on, I apply it onto the nail plate, and then I cure it under the UV lamp. And this is definitely my favorite method to apply nails, and it's the most long lasting in my personal opinion, because when I have these nails on like this through this method, literally they do not come off until I desire to take them off, which is what we are looking for. So here I'm just going to quickly place all of them on, and I also am aware that they have different lengths as well and shapes. If you are not a fan of Coffin, this one is medium Coffin. So yeah, here I am just placing those on. I absolutely love their jelly tips, really affordable. Now the gel art collection is on the pricier side. It is $100, I believe, but it's definitely worth it. You literally get an entire collection. So when you put it like that, it's actually not that bad because of the amount of colors that you get. You literally never need to buy any other gel art, because they literally have all the colors right here for you, including 2 glittery ones, which is absolutely amazing in my personal opinion. And I'm just so grateful and thankful that DoubleDip went ahead and sent me this amazing product. And this was, I believe, the first time that I actually hand painted a whole design, so it was very stressful and very hard for me, because I don't usually do content like that. I usually do easier type of content. So here I'm going in with the Beetles 695. It's like a nude color that I thought would go with it. I usually use this nude because it's really hard to like combine nudes, I don't know, with other colors in my personal opinion. But yeah, here I'm just applying that to all the nails, and I'm just going to show you one coat, but I actually did 2 coats in total. And yeah, I'm really excited and looking forward to just you guys seeing the design that I came up with. This is a Halloween design, by the way, and I decided to do like an outlined French with like Halloween designs on it, I guess you can say. And I really did try my best, and I apologize in advance. I realized after while I was editing the video that I actually was out of frame most of the time, and I really apologize for that. I think it was just because I was really nervous, trying to nail these designs, even though they look very simple, and they actually are. I know for somebody who does a lot of like hand-drawn nail art, it would be super easy for them. But like I mentioned, I don't usually do like hand-drawn nail art, so I was really nervous and it was just taking me a long time. So I really apologize, but I did try my best to include what was in frame. So I wanted to talk a little bit more in depth about the Bella Vena jelly tips. They are full coverage, they're clear, they are available in 12 sizes, every single one that you get, and also they include 300 pieces for $19.99, which is an absolutely amazing deal in my personal opinion. And I will have a discount code for you guys linked down below in the description, along with on the screen, if you're interested in checking out DoubleDip. They're very affordable. I love their acrylics because not just acrylics. I mean, I love their dip powder because they're 2-in-1s. You could always use them as an acrylic or as a dip powder, which is really nice, and they're really inexpensive, and they have variety. I think they have like over 100 literally, so that's really awesome. Their jelly tips are really great. I absolutely love them, and they have a variety of sizes, and they're only $20. And this gel set does go for 100, but when you do the math individually for all the amount that you get, it's not bad at all if you do want or would want to have this in your collection, which I definitely did. So I was really happy to receive that. So yeah, here I am just going in like I had mentioned earlier and just applying the gel polish on, and then we're gonna move straight into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, to let me know that you guys enjoyed today's video, and let me know down below what you guys thought about this particular nail art look. So here I'm just going to go up close and show you a regular color and then the glittery color, what they look like up close, and the packaging and on for you guys to see the consistency of the colors and how opaque they are. And they're extremely pigmented. They definitely weren't lying about that. And I absolutely love this gold one that's glittery. Definitely a statement piece. I had been wanting this so bad. Look how gorgeous, rich, and pigmented that is. You can do so many outlines with this. I'm super excited to use this in the near future. So here I'm just showing you what the nails look like in the end, and I'm using these guide strips, which are not good at all in my personal opinion. I had to go and practically fix each and every one of the ones that I did, but I was using this just as a guide because I personally cannot just freehand a French tip. Literally, salute to everybody who can. I personally can't. It's really hard for me, and I definitely have to practice more off camera because I would love to be able to achieve just a freehand French tip, because I absolutely love French tip nails, but it's just that I don't know how to do them because it's really hard, and I've tried off camera and I don't know how people do it. But yeah, here I'm just going in with the colors I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this red color. I ended up using a black, and that was it. I just used red and black to create this Halloween look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And like I mentioned, I really apologize that I was off frame. I was out of frame the majority of the video while I was creating, you know, this set that I was freehanding, and I apologize. Like I mentioned, I was just really like, it was hard for me because my hand is really shaky when I'm trying to do like freehand stuff. And like I said, for somebody who's accustomed to doing a lot of freehand nail art, then of course this would be super easy, but for me it was really hard. So I did try my best to incorporate whatever was caught on screen, so I do apologize for that once again. And here I'm just starting off with the pinky, and I'm just going to be outlining it like an outlined French tip, and then I'm going to go ahead and to the blood dripping, which I thought was, I don't know, I just came up with this out of nowhere, and I thought it was cute. I don't know if other people have done this before, probably, but as I was doing it, I just thought of that and I decided to go with it. So I hope you guys like it as well. And let me know down below in the comments if you guys like Halloween looks, if you want to see more Halloween looks or just regular looks or fall looks. Let me know down below in the comments. Right now I'm really into just doing or trying my best to do a lot of Halloween looks, because I know last year I wasn't really able to on my channel. I believe I did maybe 1 or 2, and I absolutely love Halloween. It's definitely one of my favorite times of the year. So I do, and I am trying to incorporate more Halloween looks. So let me know down below if you want Halloween looks, fall looks, or just regular looks, or a combination of them all. I would love to know what you guys would like to see. This is what they turned out like, and I realized that I didn't catch anything on actual frame for the pinky when I was drawing this spider, so I do apologize for that. But it was really simple. I just did 2 dots and did the legs. That was easy. So next we're moving on to me applying the top coat. I am using my favorite, which is the Nail Couture one, and then I'm going to go ahead also to adhere this. And I forgot that the 4-in-1 base gel is actually a rhinestone adhesive as well, but I just forgot, so I'm just using this particular one as a top coat and to adhere my rhinestones. And then we're just gonna move on to applying some cuticle oil. So that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. It means the absolute world to me. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload if you haven't already, and hit the subscribe button to join my channel. So thank you guys so much once again, and I'll see you guys next time.